Looking at a radical function, needing to find its inverse, that's all right. We're going to approach it the same exact way. Step 1 says we replace f of x with y. So we have y is equal to the 7th root of x minus 3. Step 2 says we need to switch x and y. So we're going to have x is equal to the 7th root of y minus 3. Third step is solve for y. So I'm going to rewrite this with y on the left-hand side, as we are trying to solve for y. Here I have a 7th root. So to get rid of a 7th root, we're going to take both sides of our equation to the 7th power. Just like if we had a square root, we would square both sides to undo it. Here, we need to get rid of the 7th root. So we're going to get rid of the 7th root by taking it to the 7th power. Y minus 3 becomes x to the 7. Add 3 to both sides. Y is equal to x to the 7 plus 3. And our last step of finding an inverse, replace with inverse notation. F inverse of x is equal to x to the 7th plus 3. We're asked to find the domain and range of both. And again, I like to use this chart because it keeps it nice and organized for me. My columns will be f of x and f inverse of x. Okay, our original function is a radical function, but his index of 7 is odd. And because he has an odd index, the domain is going to be negative infinity to positive infinity. And if we found the domain of the original, that means that we found the range of the inverse. And if we look at our inverse function, we have x to the 7th plus 3. This is one of our friends. This is a polynomial, which means its domain is negative infinity to positive infinity. And if we found the domain of the inverse, that means that we found the range of the original.